Introducing Anime Nature Pro, your ultimate toolkit for stylized anime environments. Step into a world where your anime visions come to life with unparalleled detail and vibrancy. Presenting Anime Nature Pro, the ultimate collection of stylized assets designed to elevate your anime scenes to extraordinary heights. Whether you're an aspiring animator or a seasoned professional, our comprehensive suite of tools and assets ensures you have everything you need to create breathtaking, dynamic environments. Everything you need for a dynamic anime world. Procedural and wind animated features. Our assets are entirely procedural and come with built-in wind animation features, infusing your scenes with lifelike motion and realism. Watch as trees sway gently, grasses ripple, and flowers dance in the breeze, adding a layer of immersion that captivates viewers and brings your creations to life. Unlimited customization. Unleash your creativity with our limitless customization options. Craft an endless variety of anime trees, each uniquely shaped and animated. Mold bushes into any form your imagination conjures, providing the flexibility to design scenes that are uniquely yours. Our assets empower you to create lush, vibrant landscapes that echo the aesthetic of your favorite anime. Dynamic grass and flowers. Let your landscapes thrive with our dynamic grass and beautiful animated flowers. The procedural grass assets flow with the wind, adding a natural and captivating movement to your scenes. Complementing this are stunning flowers that not only sway with the breeze, but also come in a variety of colors and styles to enhance your environment's visual appeal. Stunning skies and hand-painted rocks. Transform your scenes with our procedural cloud system, creating breathtaking skies that set the perfect backdrop for your story. Additionally, our beautifully hand-painted procedural rocks provide a touch of artistry and realism, seamlessly blending with your environments to create cohesive and visually stunning scenes. Future updates and additional features. Anime Nature Pro is more than just a static asset pack. It's a living, evolving toolkit designed to grow with your needs. Our commitment to continuous improvement means that future updates will bring even more features, including 2D effects and additional assets to further enhance your creative projects. Elevate your anime creations. With Anime Nature Pro, you have access to the best anime and stylized assets available, all designed to help you craft scenes that are as dynamic and enchanting as the stories you wish to tell. From the subtle sway of trees to the vibrant flutter of flowers, every detail is meticulously crafted to bring your anime scenes to life with unparalleled beauty and realism. Dive into a world of creativity and let your imagination flourish with Anime Nature Pro. You can add the anime grass geometry nodes to any landscape that you want. You also have the option to use a vertex group or cover the whole area of your landscape. The grass also can receive shadows and make it even more realistic, and you can also partially remove it if a character walks on it. Except the Anime Tree Pro. We have also included the Anime Tree model. It's not so customizable as the Anime Tree Pro, but it can quickly populate your scenes with some basic anime trees too. The anime water comes to fill your scenes with lakes and seas, so this pack will have every anime tool you need. 2D anime fire, and more anime VFX will come on future updates too. Stay tuned. Anime Nature Pro is available on BlenderMarket.